Hi everyone, it's Jack here. I'm so excited to share with you my latest project. You've all been asking about it. It's a collaboration with Nature Wall. Come on in. Action! If you're new here, I'm Jack. You might recognize me from Interior Design Masters, but more recently I have been converting a church in Norfolk. And here in our DIY library, you might recognize the Nature Wall panels, which are the reeded ones from their collection. And we also featured them right across and through onto the coffee table. Moving on from our traditional library, I'm so excited to share with you our latest project, which is so different from my usual style. Come with me. I love a secret door. For those of you who don't know who Nature Wall are, they're a beautiful panelling company based in Yorkshire. And on this project, I've used their panels not only on the walls, but on the ceiling as well. What made me want to take on this project? Well, I love a project, I love a challenge, and the scale of something like this to sit in and work from was always quite exciting to me. So it really does feel like somewhere that I can be creative and come up with new, fresh ideas. The vision behind this space was definitely something that felt calming and spa-like. I wanted the element of nature and warmth that felt inviting to work from. Yeah, contemporary definitely isn't my style, but I really wanted something that felt quite contrasting to the chapel while still retaining those natural earthy vibes. So that's why I went with these beautiful warm tones. Nature Wall has so many tones and colours to pick from, and I went for more of a warmer, neutral tone because I feel like when I step in here, I want it to feel like it's a very inviting space and a very calming, neutral space to sit and work from. Slat wall fitted into this vision amazingly because it added that instant texture, that instant wow factor that didn't take that long. It really kind of engulfed this space in a cozy, kind of cocooning way. Some of the more stranger and unique places that we've found inspiration from is me and Alex used to love going around abandoned buildings, which was always quite exciting in itself because we shouldn't really have been there. And we always got loads of inspiration from the textures and just the idea of Mother Nature reclaiming a space again. And I think that's why I love to pull in natural elements like plant life and moss and ivy. Love, Jack.